1 all over 1 minus x plus 2 all over 1 plus x. We are to add these two algebraic fractions. First thing, for us to add these two algebraic fractions, we need to start by finding the LCM of their denominators. The LCM of their denominators, the LCM of 1 minus x and 1 plus x is simply equal to, we are going to take their product, 1 minus x times 1 plus x. This is their LCM. Now if you take down the given problem, 1 over 1 minus x plus 2 over 1 plus x, we are going to write down their LCM, which is 1 minus x times 1 plus x. We are going to divide the LCM of the denominators by 1 minus x. We will be left with 1 plus x. 1 plus x times 1 remains 1 plus x. Bring down the operation sign, which is plus. We are going to divide the LCM 1 minus x times 1 plus x by 1 plus x. 1 plus x will strike off 1 plus x. We'll be left with 1 minus x times 2. This will give us 2 times 1 minus x. It has to be in brackets because we are multiplying all this by 2. This will simply be equal to 1 plus x plus 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 2 times negative x, which is negative 2x, all over the denominator, which is the LCM of their denominators, 1 minus x times 1 plus x. This will simply be equal to, simplifying the numerator, 1 plus 2 gives us 3. X minus 2x gives us negative x. And the numerator, we have 3 minus x, all over the denominator, we have 1 minus x times 1 plus x. This is the simplification of 1 all over 1 minus x plus 2 all over 1 plus x. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.